All right, time to do a project that has been kind of on our list basically since we got the coach. And we've got this rail up here, and you can see there's some wires and things that run along the rail. These rails basically run most of the length of the coach, as far as I can tell. And on the other side, we have some of the original cover that goes over this, and it is super thin, brittle plastic. If you just even touch it, it starts to crumble and fall apart. And so it's probably what happened on this side. It was exposed and probably just fell apart and broke. So we've been trying to figure out something that we thought would work to fix this. And we see comments and questions on Facebook and other places all the time about what do people use to cover this. And there's a variety of things, right? You could make something out of wood. You could, probably fabricate something out of metal or cover it with fabric or whatever. But one of the simplest ones that we think looks pretty good is a piece of this stuff. So this is Panduit. It's actually a cover that would go on a cable tray full of wires and things that you might have in like an IT closet in a commercial building. And this is just the cover piece for that. It's 3 inches thick. It comes in a variety of colors. I chose the white because the other colors are things like safety orange and black and blue and red. So it seemed like white was going to be probably the best fit for us. We're going to paint it. We have some kind of cream colored paint, so we'll spray paint it. But this is the perfect size to fit up here and basically snap right onto the kind of aluminum rail that goes along here. Now, I tested this before we redid our wall, and by pushing down on the top and pushing it on the bottom and kind of giving it a little force there, it would just snap right in and fit perfectly. Because we now have this wall board with the fabric on it that's kind of a tight fit up against the back of this aluminum rail, I might need to do something else. So I'm probably going to use maybe a rubber mallet and see if I can kind of tap it in and get it to hook on. I might end up putting a couple screws along here to get it to be secure. But I do also need to make a little notch here for these wires that are going across the roof. So little modification there, but I think this will make a nice improvement, especially if it's a cream color that matches the roof material and other things a little bit better. And I hope that it will be a pretty straightforward project, but we'll see how it goes. All right, so I cut out a notch here for my wires, and I think I'll be able to fit that in nicely. I tried to test fit this with my wall board here to see if I could get it to snap on to the rail, and it will just not snap on. So depending on how thick your wall is here, you may be able to snap it on, you may not. So I'm going to end up drilling a few holes along the bottom of this and mount it to this aluminum rail here. So there are already a few holes in that rail. So I think that'll be an okay mounting point. I also wanted to make a comment about where to get this stuff. So the Panduit comes in 6-foot lengths, and I got it at an electrical supply store that handles this brand. So you can go to the Panduit website and you can find places that sell their products online or just locally to you. They have a pretty good search engine. I do not recommend getting it from someplace like Amazon. So that was our first try, and we ordered a 6-foot piece of Panduit on Amazon. This is what we got. So obviously whoever is selling this on Amazon is not doing a very good job. So we said, hey, this isn't right. They said, don't worry about returning it. We reordered it, and we got this one. And this one, it looks like maybe it's been installed at some point. It's all like dinged up along the back and things. So this also not 6 feet and looks like it's been used. So Amazon is not the right place to get those. But the Panduit seems to be very popular. the 3-inch size seems pretty common. We got it very easily, even though we're in kind of a small town. So I think that's some of the background. We'll do some painting on our Panduit to get it to match the colors, and then we'll do the install. All right, so we've got the trim piece up, and I did a little trimming kind of around these wires and cleaned that up a little bit. Because of the thickness of the wall here, there was no way to get this to snap on the bottom and the top. And so what I did is I basically hooked it on the top and then put a few screws along the bottom here. And it basically just drilled through the Panduit cover and did a little hole in the aluminum rail behind it, and then used a self-tapping screw to basically tap that in. We painted the heads of these white just so it would kind of blend in a little bit. It has a little bit of waviness to it where the screws are, but I didn't really want to put 10 screws along here. So I think this is good. It's definitely solid. I mean, it's not going to come loose. It's not going to rattle or anything. So I think it should be fine. I can always add more screws later if I want to, but this is such a huge improvement over having that raw aluminum with wires hanging off it and stuff. It's been like that since we got the coach a couple years ago. So I think this is a nice improvement. Looks a lot better. It does make it a little obvious now that kind of the roof doesn't quite come down and things, but I think this was a good upgrade, and we'll maybe paint this, maybe someday we'll do something different with the roof. But I think for now, I'm happy with the results.